I have a dbeaver here that is connected to a Postgres database. I'm going to connect as a user Jill. Let's see how it looks like. So I'm connecting to RDS on AWS, and I'm going to use a username Jill at SecuPi.onmicrosoft.com. That user doesn't exist in the database. So how would it happen? Let's see. I'm going to open this database connection. A pop-up browser will come up. I can now authenticate as Jill with Azure Active Directory. And because I did that, let's see back what happened here. I'm now connected as Jill. So let's connect here as Jill. And let's see who's the user connected. So when I'm running this, you can see the user connected is Postgres. Postgres is a super user within the Postgres database. This user can do anything within the environment. But because we're going through SecuPi, if I'm going to try to select the customer CS table, you will see that the data is masked for me. I cannot see credit cards, I cannot see emails, cannot see ID numbers. I can even make it that I cannot see the table itself. So if I'm going to try to do to select the top secret table, you can see SecuPi error, unauthorized, right? The user is denied because we do not allow this user to select from this table. Also, if I'm going to try to do some command like create a user, you will see that it's not allowed for this user, even though it's user Postgres, not allowed to create a database user. Let's see how it looks like within SecuPi. So if I go back to my console, so my dashboard will show me what Jill did. So that's the last thing Jill did. She was trying to create a create user. So we will see it here. Create user Jill2. That was ACE. We rewritten that to say not allowed as a message. So that's what happened here. Before that, I was trying to select from a table. So that's here. So again, this is Jill at SecuPi.onmicrosoft.com, coming as an admin, but trying to do a select query right here. Select star from customer CS. That was the query, and we can see that we masked the most of the fields there. If I go back, I'll see that I also had a select for the top secret. So I think that would be here. So if we'll see what happened here, I had an OLAC event that's object level access control saying this was not allowed to happen. And that was the select top secret data. So you might think Postgres is not allowed to do those things, but if I go back to my dbeaver, and I will now try to do everything as Jack. So let's see it. Let's see Jack. For example, Jack here is connected with Jack at SecuPi.com. So again, I'm going to open this one. It will pop up a browser. Now I'm going to log in to Azure with Jack. Because of that, I am now connected to Jack. So let's run this query as Jack. This is Jack. So again, I'm in the session of Jack, select current user, Postgres. Again, same user, Postgres is the super user. If I'm going to try to select the query, there's nothing masked for me. If I'm going to try to do the top secret, that is available for me. And again, if I'll see what happened in my SecuPi dashboard, right here, you'll be able to see everything that Jack did. Refresh. There you go. So this is what Jack did. That's our select query that was not masked. So in summary, I used two users. I enabled multi-factor authentication without touching Postgres. I did not need to provision Jack and Jill to Postgres. I did not need to reset their passwords. I did not need to give them controls or grants, do different grants for them because I'm using a super user. I did not need to log everything in the database. All I need to do is just to integrate my SecuPi Enforcer into this database tool, database administration tool. And from that moment, I'm able to control everything, audit everything, and reduce all of the overhead of managing users inside databases. Thanks for watching.